Math 6, Topic 5 Review, Lesson 1. I am going to try to do this practice problem the same way they showed you the example. So they want you to start off by writing the ratio of 5 red roses for every 2 white roses. Number 1 says the ratio of white to red. Notice they put the word white first. So you're going to write the number for white to the number for red. So 2 to 5, you could also write it as 2 to 5, or you could write it like a fraction, 2 to 5. 3 ways to write it. Write the ratio of red roses to the total number of flowers in 3 different ways. Well, there's 5 red roses and 7 flowers. So 5 red roses to 7 flowers, 5 red roses to 7 flowers, 5 red roses to 7 flowers. If the florist uses 10 red roses in a bouquet, how many white roses does she use? This is an interesting one. 10 red roses and then white roses. So let's see. They told me that for every 2 white roses, there were 5 red roses. Again, I'm trying to do it the way they showed in the example. So that's what the normal ratio looks like. So if the florist uses 10 red roses in a bouquet, so if this is equivalent to 10 red roses, how many would have to be in each one of these boxes to be 10? And the answer is 2. And these quantities are the same as those. So if there's 10 red roses, there would be 4 white roses. And in the next one down, they want you to set it up the same way again. 2 whites for every 5 reds. If the florist uses 10 white roses, so if this number is 10, that means each of those boxes had 5. So 10 white roses means she used 25 red roses. Okay, I did it. I solved it the way they did it in the example. I'm super proud of myself right now. All right.